Ladies and gentlemen, it's me, James Sweeney, coming at you this Wednesday morning from right outside the New York Stock Exchange because, in fact, we're just a few hours away from the nice Evergreen being lit up for the holiday season. Here on Wall Street, there's going to be music, there's going to be giveaways, there's going to be a lot of festive celebrations, and the real question is, on this hump day, halfway through the week, are the markets going to be celebrating as well? It's cold outside, wearing a hat. Freezing. Let's now take a look to see how the markets are shaping up to start off this, the halfway point of the trading week, and also the first trading session for the month of December 2021. U.S. stocks, they're rising this Wednesday morning as companies that benefit from the economic reopening gained along with big energy. The gains follow what Tuesday's sell-off on Wall Street over fears about the new Omicron COVID variant and the Federal Reserve thinking about a quicker than planned exit from its easy monetary policy. Energy is seeing sharp gains with Occidental Petroleum and Baker Hughes each rising more than 3%, as WTI crude prices climbing about 4% to nearly $69 a barrel. This all just one day after the Dow lost more than 650 points, the S&P 500 losing 1.9%, and the Nasdaq down 1.6%. Fed Chair Jerome Powell scared markets after he said the central bank is expected to discuss speeding up the taper of its minimum $120 billion a month bond buying program, and Goldman Sachs projects the Fed will double the pace to $30 billion a month and enact its first rate hike of the pandemic era in June. Meanwhile, the new COVID variant, first detected in South Africa, has now been identified in more than a dozen countries, causing many to restrict travel. And on the data front today, ADP private payroll data for November showing 534,000 jobs added in November, above expectations of 506,000. And lastly, some advice. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas at the New York Stock Exchange, and I could not be any happier.